Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at my money routine. So yesterday I talked about all 5 of my goals. If you missed that video, I will link it above. But in today's video, in order to achieve these goals, I always will set up a routine that revolves around these goals so that I know I am on track and I'm definitely going to achieve them. So we're going to get into my daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annual goals for 2024. So let's zoom you in, and I am going to start off by adding the year at the very top, and I'm going to be using a colorful box in order to do so. And for my daily goal, this is going to happen every morning around 7:30 a.m. So I'm just going to add the time that this is going to happen. It's going to be at 7:30 a.m. every single morning. And now I'm going to add all of the things that I want to do. I want to review the previous day transactions, and this is just to make sure that everything that hit my account was supposed to hit that account. And I also want to review my budget to actual. This is just to make sure we are on track and we're not going over budget. I'm also going to look at my bank balances and my bills that have cleared. So that's it for my daily routine. This entire process takes me about 10 minutes. It really doesn't take a long time at all for me to look at all 3 of these things. For my weekly money routine, I'm going to complete this every single Tuesday. The reason why I do it on Tuesday is because I will pay myself on Wednesdays. And so this is a great time for me to set up my budget for the week. And so on Tuesday, I'm going to be setting up my paycheck budget. I will also be transferring money to savings and investing accounts. Also be moving money to my cash envelopes for my short-term savings and my spending for the week. And I will be making a credit card payment. My next money routine is going to be monthly, and that usually happens around the last week of the month. So I'm just going to put the 25th of the month. And this is where I will set up my monthly budget, and I'll do my calendar and my budget sheets. This is also where I will check in on my goals. I want to start the process for my budget closeouts for the previous months, and I need to review what's coming up for the very next month. The next money routine that I have is my quarterly routine, and this happens the last week of the quarter. And during my quarterly routine, this is when I'm going to review my sinking funds, because I will usually switch them out every single quarter. I also like to review my investment accounts, and I will also review my bills around this time to see if there's anything that we can decrease or change or switch companies, anything that could possibly help us reduce our overall expenses. And the last routine that I have is my annual routine, and this happens every December. And this is when I will set up my new budget planner. I also review my investment accounts, and I start to prepare for taxes. And these are my money routines. So as you can see how my goals coincide with my money routines, I have savings and debt reduction goals, and then I am also including that in my routines where I'm transferring money into savings or reviewing my accounts or making sure that I'm looking at my investment accounts. They really do work together so that I am able to achieve these things. And I really want to make sure that you all are adding the time or the day that you are planning on doing this routine. That is super important to make sure that you actually do it. So my daily routine happens every morning around 7:30 a.m. Now it's a little bit later on the weekends. I just put 7:30 a.m. because that's what definitely happens on the weekdays. But on the weekends, it may be a little bit later in the day. Every Tuesday, my weekly routine happens around the 25th of every single month. My monthly routine happens. The last week of every single quarter is when my quarterly routine will happen. And then I am doing my December process with you all every year during Vlogmas. So guys, I hope that this one has helped you, and I hope that this helps you set up your money routine for 2024. And I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.